Hello friends, welcome back to my channel CadMax. Today we will learn how to draw the plan which I had shown you in my last video. We will draw the same plan using AutoCAD. You can use any version of AutoCAD, it is the same procedure. I will not provide you the AutoCAD drawing, I want you guys to draw yourself. This is the plan which we are going to draw now. This tutorial might be a bit long, maybe nearly an hour. This tutorial is for the beginners with basic AutoCAD knowledge. I will teach slowly so that you can learn easily. Don't skip the video because I will be teaching all the steps and easy method. Also some tips in between. Watch till the end. Once you completely watch this video, you will be able to draw the plan easily. This video might be 1 hour long, but you can draw the same plan within 40 to 45 minutes. Let's jump in and start drawing. Open AutoCAD, click New, go to File and click New. Select any layouts and select Open. Before drawing anything, I want all your drawings to be properly set, like proper layers, text, dimension, colors, line types, everything. Let's set the layers. Click this button to create new layer. We want many layers, we'll do one by one. First we want wall. Then press comma, it will go to next layer, DW, that is for doors and windows. Press comma again. For furniture, press comma. For text one layer, press comma and dimension. And last, maybe for the hatch. Select colors for each layers. For the wall, let it be white. For the windows, we can keep it sand color, that is color number 4. For furniture, some colors, maybe this. Text, maybe this one, magenta. Dimension, maybe green, number 3. Hatch, any color, maybe I'll select this one and click OK. However small or big the drawing is, draw accurately, maintain proper layers. It is very easy and helpful when the drawing is very big. Close this box. Next, we will set the units. Go to Format, select Units. We will be drawing this in feet and inches. So select Architecture, set the precision, maybe quarter inch. Degrees you can leave as it is, and rest everything you can leave as it is. Select OK. Let's start the drawing. We'll make the layer wall as the current layer. Go to this, select wall, and wall will be the current layer. Start somewhere here from this corner. Select line, start from somewhere here. You can see square boxes here. Those are called grids. Actually it is not required now. You can keep it off. Press F7. It is off. If you press F7 again, it will be on. Let's off it now. And you can see the line is not horizontal or it is vertical. To make it horizontal or vertical, press 8. That is ortho mode. If you press F8 again, it will be off. It's toggle on and off button. We'll make it press F8 and we'll keep it on. Draw a horizontal line of say 35 feet. Enter. Enter. You can scroll the mouse and you can zoom out. You can also double click the mouse scroll button. You can see the line is horizontal line which is drawn under layer wall. Select line again. Hold your mouse on this endpoint. You can see a green box here. It is called Object Snap button. Now it's already set to the end point of this line. Even if you want it to off or on, you can press F3. F3 is shortcut for the snap button. F3 off, now it is off, snap is off. If you press again F3, it is on. If you want to set a different snap, that is object snap buttons, just press shift on the keyboard and right click on your mouse. You can see snap settings. Okay, now I have already set all this. By default it might be different. Whichever points you want, you can click and keep it on, like end point, mid, center, maybe quadrant, intersection. That's it. Select OK and close this box. Again press line, press F3, object snap on, select the end point here, point your mouse downwards, that is vertical, and say 40 feet. Press enter again, come out of the command. Double click the scroll button, you can see a 35 feet horizontal line and a 40 feet vertical line. Now go to offset. This is the offset button. Offset. You can type the distance here, say 35 feet, 35 feet, enter, select this line and select the direction, that is this line. So this is offsetted by 35 feet. Press enter and enter again. Now offset it is 40 feet. Select object, select this object and offset this side. So now this is the outermost boundary of our site. This is the UCS icon. If it is disturbing, you can off that. You can type in this command prompt, you can type UCS icon, enter, OFF, that is off. It's gone. It's not required for 2D drawings. Okay, this is our site now. Let's start drawing walls. Offset 2 feet 6 inch, 2 feet 6 inch from top and from the left. Again offset, we'll offset wall thickness by 9 inch, enter 9, offset, offset. Okay, this portion is the kitchen. You can check the PDF drawing, which is 10 feet horizontal and 10 feet vertical. So offset again, distance 10 feet, offset this, offset this. Again wall thickness offset 9, next 9, this one. Then there is a bedroom here of 10 feet by 10 feet. Offset, type 10 feet, offset this side, offset again for 9 inch. So this is the outermost wall of the bedroom. Okay, next is this one, that is common toilet, which is 4 feet 6 inch. So go to offset, 4 feet 6 inch, type 4 feet 6 inch, offset, then offset again by 6 inch. This wall is 6 inch, which is partition wall, 6 inch. Then the bedroom, which is 12 feet 9 inches. Offset again, 12 feet 9 inches. And the wall, which is 9 inches. Okay, now we can see the plan is slowly coming up. Next, we'll draw the line of living cum dining, which is 11 feet by 18 feet. Again press offset, 11 feet, like this, enter, enter, offset by 18 feet, this side, enter, enter, offset by 9 inch, this one, 9 inch, 9 inch. There are lots of lines now. You may be confused. So we can start trimming. This is the button for trim command. Trim. I'll teach you a trick here. If you have to trim, first it will ask the boundary. If you want to trim all these lines, it will ask the boundary. So this will be the boundary. After selecting the boundary, press enter. Then you have to select like this, crossing window. Look, this is dotted line which is called crossing window. Cut this. So all these are gone. Instead of that, I'll show you one more trick. I'll just undo that. Select the command trim. Don't select any boundary. Enter again. Now select crossing window. See, it will all go. It will all trim like this. This, if I select it now, this will trim in between. This will trim, all these lines will be trimmed in between this and this. This one and this one will be the trimming boundary. So again, trim, enter, enter, trim all this. Without selecting boundary, you can trim. This is the trick. Like this, trim, trim. And this is toilet wall. We don't need this one, this one. We don't need this one. You can select one by one also. This is the easiest method. Trim like this. You can trim all this. No, you don't. You can trim this. Trim this. All these are unwanted lines. You can select erase and erase all this. Enter. Erase. Select this. Select this. Enter. This is the toilet. Okay, we don't need all these lines also. Select trim, enter, enter. Select this. Erase this line, which is not required. So the kitchen, toilet, bedroom, and there is one more toilet here, which is 6 feet by 7 feet 6 inch. So this is 6 feet, we have to draw 7 feet 6 inch. So go to offset, 7 feet 6 inch, offset, enter, enter, again offset 9 inch, offset, trim. See now if you trim, we have to trim from this line all these things. If you use that trick, now there's a lot of work. You have to trim one by one like this. If you use that trick, trim, double enter, you have to select trim and you have to erase. So in this case, I'll undo. In this case, you can select the boundary, enter, select this and trim. Again, trim, select this as boundary, enter, trim this. Now you can erase this line, erase. Okay, next we'll draw the sit out, which is 4 feet wide. Offset, 4 feet. Okay, then you can extend this line. Extend is something similar like trim. This is the extend command. For that also you have to select the boundary. Select the boundary, right click or press enter and select lines which you want to extend. This one and this one. Okay. Even here you can use the same trick. I'll undo. Okay, extend. Don't select the boundary, just enter again. Whichever line you select, it will extend up to next line, next nearest line. Like if I select this one, it will extend up to this line. If you want to extend this line till here, you can select it again. Okay, but you don't need that. We want only till here. Okay, this is the way outer line of the wall. Now we'll start marking doors. Okay, we have to draw a wall here, the toilet wall. Go to offset, set by 5 feet, offset here, offset again 6 inch. Okay, trim this one and this one. So go to trim, select this one and this one as a boundary, select this one and this one. Okay, now we'll start marking all the openings. We'll start from this door. So this door is after 9 inch. This door starts, door width is of 3 feet 6 inch. So first we'll offset 9 inch, enter, offset again by 3 feet 6 inch. Okay, trim. There are so many lines overlapping here, so if we use the trick, it will take long time. Instead of that, you can select boundaries. All these are boundaries. Enter, trim this. It's all gone. Okay, next this door, offset 3 feet. This door here, and 2 doors are here. You can offset here. Now trim, select the boundaries. All this, enter. Select the lines which you have to trim. Trim all this. Trim. Okay. There is unwanted lines. This one, maybe this, and also this. Okay, done. So next, toilet doors. Offset by 2 feet 6 inch. Enter. One door is on this side, this is on this side. Enter. Trim, select this, select this. All these are dotted lines are the boundaries. Enter. Now trim, which you don't need. Erase unwanted lines. Pan the drawing up. You can press the scroll button and pan it anywhere you want. Let's make it center. Now we can clean up all these corners. If it is difficult to select, you can zoom. Press Z, enter, and press the window like this. Open a window like this, it will be zoom. Select trim and enter again, and clean all these lines. Sorry. Can undo if by mistake if you click any other line like this, all this, you can trim and clean up the drawing. Okay, double click the mouse to fit the window. Okay, this line is there, don't need this, erase, double click. Okay, this is a plain drawing with just the walls. Okay, we did one mistake. Actually, this door should be on this side, not on this side. So what we will do, we will extend this, extend this one till here, then this will erase, offset. Last offset was 2 feet 6 inch, so it will be there in the memory. Enter, offset this side. Now trim, enter, trim. Okay, it's fine. Okay, now let's start marking the windows. All the windows are 5 feet wide, so we can draw one window and place it everywhere. Okay. So we'll select line, draw 5 feet. Okay, this is a 5 feet wide. Then you can see in the PDF I have shown 4 lines which shows the window openings. So those 4 lines are 3 inches away from each other. So go to offset, press 3, enter, offset. Okay, draw one line. Yes, till here to here, enter, line again from this point to this point. Select all this and put those lines into window layer. Select and go here and select DW. You can see this, all these are in window layers, all other things are in wall layers. Okay, now we can start copying and placing. Select this is the copy. Select all these objects, press enter. Select this point as a base point. It's asking base point. Select this base point here, place it one window here, another one here, and this we can't because the base point we have to select from the upper side. So escape, again copy, select this one, enter, base point, second point. Okay, one more point here, enter. Now horizontal windows are done. So we'll go to rotate, select this, enter, select the base point, and from mouse you can show direction as vertical. It will rotate in, now it is in ortho mode, so it will rotate only in 0, 90, 180 like that. So just show the mouse direction, select it, now it is vertical. Okay, copy, select all this, enter, base point, second point. Okay, next copy again, select this, enter, base point is this, copy here, copy here. Okay, one more window is there here, but we don't know the reference point of this one. Okay, it is in between this wall and this wall, so we can copy the window, this one, copy, enter, select this base point. Second point is between in this point and this point, so you can press shift and right mouse button. Okay, you can see mid between 2 points. Select this point and this point, so it is placed exactly between these 2 points. Press escape and come out from the command. Okay, now all the windows are done. Now we have to place ventilators. Ventilators are 2 feet 6 inch in size. So now this is 5 feet. You can stretch it and make it smaller. Go to stretch command, select all this, select, press enter, select a base point somewhere here and show the direction from which side you want to stretch. Now we want to reduce the size. This is 5 feet, we have to make it 2 feet 6 inch less. So type 2 feet 6 inch, press enter. Now this is 2 feet 6 inch. Same, copy, select the objects, enter, copy this point here, here. Okay, now rotate to place the window here. Go to rotate, select the objects, and rotate this like this. Again copy, select, and copy here. Okay, now all the windows are placed. You can see we don't need this. Can I erase this one here? Okay, you can see this window and this window is slightly smaller. It is not 5 feet, it is 4 feet. So we can stretch it. Go to stretch command, select this, enter, stretch this side by say 6 inch this side. Again enter, select this one, 6 inch this side. Okay, enter, select this one, 6 inch down, select this point, enter, 6 inch up. Okay, windows are placed. Now let's start placing the columns. For that we have to create a layer which we didn't create. Go to layer box, open, click this new, type column, say COL, and any color, maybe this one, red. Okay, close this. Okay, draw a rectangle which is of the column size. Select this rectangle, select one point anyway, first corner of the rectangle, and press at the rate of, you can see here, at the rate of, column size is 15 by 9, so 15 inch, 9 inch. enter. You can see a rectangle of 15 by 9. Okay, you can zoom it. I have shown a small circle which is the center line of the wall. Okay, you have to mark that center also. So draw a line from here to here, enter. Draw a line from this point to this point, enter. Offset. Center of this wall is 4.5 inch, so 4.5 inch offset. This one and this one. This is the center point of the wall. Draw a circle. Circle. Center point is the intersection of this point. Take this and say press D for dia. You can see D for dia. Enter. Type the diameter 3 inch. Okay, you can erase this, and one line is here and one line is here. You can erase all that. Okay, select this and put inside the layer column. Now you have to hatch this. I've shown in my plan. You can hatch that portion. Okay, select this hatch. Select the hatch pattern as it's under defined, solid. Okay, pick points, pick this, enter, enter. Select this also and put it inside the column layer. Okay, now you can zoom out. Okay, zoom out. Now start placing the drawing. Copy this. Copy this. This is the base point, one column here. Okay, now next column is here, but we have to rotate it. You have to rotate this. Go to rotate, select this, enter, select the base point and rotate it like this. Okay, copy this one, enter, select the base point here and second point here. Okay, same, copy it again, select the base point here, select the base point this one and second point this one. One more column is here which we can copy this one. Copy this, select this as the base point and this one. Okay, now all these columns you can copy together. Copy, select this, select this, select this and this. Enter, base point this, second point this. Okay, all other columns the orientation is different, so we can rotate this column 90 degree like this. Okay, copy, select this, enter. This column is here, second point is here, and maybe you can copy this here. For others the base point is different, so again copy, select this, enter. This is the base, second point. Okay, now this we can't copy here because the base point is different. Copy, select, copy this as a base point, second point, second point. Okay, done. Okay, one more column is there here. You can select copy this one. Okay, done. Then next one more column is there here, that is of the car porch, but size is different. So first let's copy this, select this point, enter, and this is the base point, and we have to place perpendicular to this line. We have not set that snap setting in that O snaps, so just shift plus right click and you can select perpendicular. You can see perpendicular. If you hold anywhere on this vertical line, you can see a symbol here, green. So now it is exactly perpendicular. So you can see this column is in line with this now. Now this column is 15 inch, but we need 9 inch by 9 inch column. So we have to stretch this by 6 inch. So go to stretch command, select this, enter, stretch 6 inch down. Now the line, that outer rectangle line has been stretched, but the hatch hasn't stretched. So you can zoom there, select this grid, and you can see one triangle point is objects and a point is showing, that is a gray center point of the line. Either you can select here. Okay, so now this is 9 by 9. Okay, erase this. Now all the columns are set. Now we'll start doing the sunshade line. Okay, go to offset, 2 feet offset here. Okay, draw a reference line from here, which is 2 feet up. Enter. This is having 9-inch bearing here, so offset the 9, offset this. You can even move this line 9-inch. Okay, erase this. Okay, now this line you can mirror, select mirror, select this line, enter. This is the first point of the mirror line, this is the second one. Okay, done. Now you can trim this one and this one, or else you can use fillet and you can trim that. Go to fillet, check whether the radius is 0, it's 0. Okay, go to fillet, select this and this, so it will be trimmed and joined exactly till this intersection. Enter, fillet. Okay, that's perfect. Now you have to make these lines as dotted. For that, first we have to load the line tabs. By default, only one line tab, that is continuous, is loaded. We have to load the hidden line, which is dotted line. So go to other, load, select any line and press H. You can see hidden. This is a dotted line for sunshade and whatever is coming above the plan level. Select OK. OK. Select all these lines. Go to line types. You can select hidden. You can see now the line type is hidden, but it is not showing as hidden. It's because the line type scale is different. Okay, so what we have to do is you have to change the line type scale. Press LTS, or you can type line type scale. You can see here, press LTS and enter. It is showing 1, make it 30. You can see it is perfect. LTS scale 30 is perfect for this drawing. Okay, now we can start copying. Select copy, select this, enter, base point, copy, enter, base point. Okay, for this we'll correct this. The second one is this. You can erase this, or else you can stretch this one by say 2 feet 6 inches, because that ventilator is 2 feet 6 inches only. Perfect. Okay, now the same thing, you can copy this, copy it and keep here, rotate this like this by 90 degree. Now copy this, copy, select. You have to select the base point which is in between these two. So press shift, right click, mid between 2 points, this one and this one. See, this is the base point. You can see here. Second point is this. Okay, then here it is smaller, here no shade. Okay, then one more sunshade is here. We can rotate this, rotate, pick anywhere and rotate it like this. Select this and rotate it like this. Now copy, enter, select the base point as mid between these two, this one and this one, and paste it here. Okay, this line is actually extended here, so you can select extend, enter, this one extend, and select this, copy this base point and this one. You can remove this, you can trim this, trim, enter, enter. this is gone. So this is done, this is done. Okay, here it is smaller. You can copy this or this, whichever you feel easy. I'll copy this and place here. Rotate this one like this and copy. Select the base point as mid between these two and place here. Okay, fine. Okay, this is not required. Select this and erase. Okay, come here. You can see the projection line here, 2 feet, 2 feet. So you can offset this by say 2 feet. This line, this side, this side. Here you can use this line. What I'll do is I'll go to fillet. I'll fillet this, this, and this with this. You can see there is a gap here. For that, we'll draw one line from here, just this side 2 feet. Okay, now you can see this is continuous, this is hidden. Go to match properties. This is match properties. Select the source object, this one, and match to this, this, and this. Okay, now you have to trim this. Trim, select this, press enter, select this. Done. Even here this stops at this line. So a line from this point, draw here till here. Then you can trim anytime. Trim, enter, tuck, 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 it's gone. Okay, match this. Okay, you can see the steps line here. Draw a line which is in line with this. Somewhere here, enter, offset. So 1 feet, one step is inside, one step is outside. Okay, go to fillet, 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 get this one and this one. Okay, fine. Now there is double line here, which is the railing line. So go to offset, say 2 inch, offset this, offset this, offset this. Zoom this portion, trim, you can select all this, enter, trim, trim, okay, trim this. Zoom this portion, select trim, select all this as boundary, enter, and start trimming this line, which is not required. This one, sorry, undo, this one. Okay, erase this. Okay, if you want, you can clean up, say trim, enter, trim this, this. Okay, zoom back, zoom out. Is it perfect? Yes, it's perfect. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let's do the staircase later. Now we will start placing the door symbols. We haven't saved the drawing yet, so go to file, or you can click this, select, and I will put this in desktop. I'll name it as floor plan. Select, save. Okay, you can see it's saved in desktop floor plan. Okay, now we will start placing the door symbols. Okay, you can go to insert, block. Block is nothing but another drawing. Okay, we will go to block. I have already created all the symbols of the furnitures, doors, and other things. We'll go to browse. Select this T, go to blocks, and we'll place start the main door, which is door D, open. Okay, so you can specify the insertion, don't change anything, it's all perfect. Click OK. Place the door here. Okay, but the door has to be mirrored, not like this. You can go to select mirror, enter, mirror is like this. Okay, here is this, move this, select this as a base point, second point here. Okay, now this one also you can put inside the window layer. So select this and go to layers, window. Okay, done. Now again insert, block, Next is T1. Okay, place here. Zoom a bit. Select this, put it inside the TW layer. Now we have to place the doors here. Rotate it, whichever orientation you want, like this. Okay, copy this one here like this. One door here, here. Okay, next one is here, but the orientation we have to change. Rotate it like this, or you can use mirror. Like this, mirror like this. Do you want source object? No. Okay, move this point, second point. Okay, we want one more door here. You can use this, you can mirror this. Okay, select this as the first point and the second point. Okay, done, good. Okay, now next we have to place toilet doors, which is T2. Okay. Okay, this one put inside the TW layer first. Copy this base point here. Next we can rotate this like this and place it here. Move. Okay, good. So all the doors are done. Next we will draw the furnitures. We will not draw, actually we will place the blocks. Okay, we'll start from here, from the carporch. Same, go to insert, block, browse, you can see car, select, okay, open, click, place it somewhere here, rotate it like this, put inside the layer furniture. Okay, perfect. Move this, select, move this. You can press F8 and make the ortho off. Place it here. Okay, next we will place sofa here, 3-seater, 2-seater and one side table. So go to insert, block, browse, search for 2-seater sofa. Okay, okay, place it here. Insert 3-seater, block, place 3-seater here, place it here. Okay, select this and put inside furniture. Always put inside the layer first, then you can copy, otherwise it will be a problem to select each and every one and put inside the layer. Okay, move this somewhere here, rotate this one. Okay, now the ortho is off, so it is rotating in odd degrees. So keep ortho on and rotate. Select this, move. Now you can keep ortho off by pressing F8. Keep somewhere here. Zoom that. You see it perfectly. Move this one here. This is a side table, which is a rectangle of 2 feet by 2 feet. So select rectangle, first corner, and press @ 2 feet, 2 feet. You can see here 2 feet, 2 feet, and press enter. Okay, move this one here. If it is looking big, and you can make it smaller. Okay, go offset by 3 inch. Okay, can erase this. You can match this one with this. That's good. Now replace a dining table here. Go to insert, lock, browse, dining table. Okay, okay. That is it. Okay, it's here. Move. Okay. Now whenever you place a block, it will go and fall inside the current layer. So now if you are completely placing all the furnitures, you can keep the furnitures layer on. So go to layers, furniture. Okay, Okay, now when you insert, okay, say we'll insert a bed. Go to bed, block, okay, bed, okay, okay, place it here. Now when you insert, it will be in the current layer, which is current layer is furniture, so everything is inside the layer furniture. Okay, now this you can match this one with this you can copy this one here. Okay, now this you have to rotate and place rotate, keep ortho on, rotate, move. Ortho off, move here. Now you can see actually this window has to be shifted. If you look at the plan, you can see. So zoom that portion, go to stretch, select all this sunshade line and the window, select, enter. There's the first point. If ortho is off, keep it on, then shift it by 2 feet right side. Okay, sorry, not 2 feet, it has to be 1 feet. Stretch it, ortho on, 1 feet. Okay, good. Move this bed a little backwards. Okay, fine. Place the wardrobe here. We'll check whether the wardrobe is inside the block. Go browse, check wardrobe. Yes, there is there. Select. Okay. Look here. It must be some here. Okay, now it's placed in between here. Now it is difficult to select because okay, the wardrobe is here, it's inserted here. Move that outside. Here we have to rotate this, rotate this like this, move this base point, this one, second point, this one. Okay, one more wardrobe which is here, so you can copy this here, place it here, and this has to be mirrored. Go select mirror, set this as the first point, mirror is, erase source object, press S and enter. Okay, done. This bed is done, this done, this is done. Okay, now we have to place a TV here. TV, you can show the TV unit, offset 12, here, and draw a line, say here, move this little bit down somewhere here, offset by say 5 feet, set 5 feet. Okay, now you can use fillet, this, and we can match. Okay, done. Now place the TV symbol, go to insert. You can also press I and enter. Okay, browse, press, go to TV, plan, open. Okay, here. Go to rotate and rotate this like this. Move ortho off and place it here. In the provided drawing, the TV unit looks little bigger. You can always stretch it like this. Keep ortho on, say 2 feet. Okay, maybe this one 9 inches, and this one it is slightly narrow like this. Okay, now move the TV slightly this side. Okay, it's perfect. We can draw a center table here which is in ellipse shape. So go to ellipse, draw the horizontal axis say 18 and vertical axis say 3 feet. If it looks bigger, you can press this and make it smaller. Okay, fine. Move this and place it properly. Okay, this looks good. Next, let's start placing commode, wash basin and shower head. Zoom common toilet. Press I for insert, browse, search for wash basin. Okay, place it here. Must be somewhere here. Move this. Place it in right position. Next, insert, browse, commode. Okay, place it here. Rotate this by say 180 degree and move it and place it in the right position. Next, insert, browse, shower. Shower is here. Okay, place it. It's placed here. Move it and place it in the proper position. Okay, this is done. Now common toilet will go to attached toilet. Copy this and place it here. Copy this wash basin, place it here. Rotate it by 90 degree. Move and place it. Next, copy this wash basin and place it here. That's it. We are done with 2 toilets. Now let's go to kitchen. Kitchen, this platform is on this wall and this wall. It is 2 feet wide. So offset 2 feet this wall and this wall. Draw a line here to here. You can trim this. Trim, enter, pick this too. Okay. Then match properties. Click this, select the source object and then the destination object, that is these two. Okay, now we have to place one cooking gas stove here, sink and maybe a mixie and a fridge here. Go to insert, browse, cooking gas stove, it's here, open. Okay, insert, rotate it like this and place here. Next, browse, sink is here. Okay, place it here, place it in this corner. Let's see the actual file. Okay, sink is here, this is a mixie, one fridge here. Insert, browse, mixie. Okay, it's here, one. Okay, click I, browse, refrigerator, open and inserts here. Okay, that's it. I think we finished with all the furnitures. Okay, now let's start drawing the staircase. It is 4 feet wide, so offset 4 feet and 4 feet. This is the first step. There are 14 steps. Offset, each step is 10 inches wide, so offset 10. Enter, select this. Now there are many steps repeating, so you can press M for multiple M and just pick the side and go on clicking. Then press escape to come out. There are 14 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Copy one more, 14. Trim this. Zoom it. Find it easy, trim it. Okay. Match this with this. Landing will be above this toilet. So the steps will be repeating. How many steps I have shown? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 steps are there. Then a line like this. Like this, trim unwanted things. Show the railing line, offset this by say 2 inch, 2 inch. You can see 2 inch, 2 inch. Okay, trim this one. can stretch or you can use trim and do these corrections even here like this. Okay, fine. This too you can trim it. Okay, match this line to this. You can see this is going straight and is connecting with the sunshade line. So you can draw a line here, fillet this and this, match this one and this one. That's perfect. Okay, now we'll start placing the text. Let's start from this kitchen. First we have to load the fonts. There won't be there any fonts on the default AutoCAD drawing. So first we have to load the fonts. Type, style, you can also go to format and text style. Click new, give a name for your font. You can keep the name same, style name and the font name same, so that it's easy for you to remember. Style name, I've tabbed it as Arial. Select the font as Arial. Don't mention any height here. Keep it as 0 and rest everything 0. And set current, close. Now we will start writing text. Keep the layer text as current layer. Go to draw, text, multi-line style, draw a box here. Current text is Arial. This is a text style name which we had given. These are other default ones. This is a font which we had selected. Keep the height as say 9 inch. Okay, then start typing. Kitchen, key, CHEN, enter, 10 feet by 10 feet. Press OK. You can see the text is like this. If the width of the rectangle, that box, is less, then you can pull this grip and increase. 10 feet by 10 feet. Select all this text and center align like this. Move it and place it. Kitchen, okay, like this we'll copy everywhere. This is master bedroom. Master bedroom. You can check the size of this room if you don't remember. If you don't know the size of this master bedroom, you can measure it before typing. So go to distance command, select this corner and this corner. Here it will be showing 12 feet 9 inch by 10 feet. So type, you can double click this, type 12 feet 9 inches by 10 feet. That's it. Then copy this and place it in this bedroom. This is, we'll write just bedroom. This is 10 feet by 10 feet. Okay. If it is looking big, you can scale it. I'll scale this, say 0.75. Okay, this is fine. Now we can match this to this to this. Okay. Cover this. This is living cum dining. Living, LIVING, cum dining. Width is 10 feet. Check distance. Width is 11 by 18. Width is 11 by 18. Okay, done. Copy this and place here. This is attached toilet. Distance. Check distance. The size of the room, 6 by 7.5. So this is 6 by 7.5. Okay, place it properly. Copy this. Let's go to common toilet. Type C, common toilet. Check the distance, 4.5 by 5. 4 feet 6 inch by 5 feet. Okay, this is done. Then there is one arrow mark and showing up carporch, road, sit out. Copy this, place here. Check the size by using distance command like this. Measure diagonally 12 feet 6 inch by 4 feet. Okay, this is it out. 12 feet 6 inch by 4 feet. Next, car porch. Double click, it will select the whole world. Car porch 10 9 by 12, 10 9 by 12 feet. Then one arrow mark I have shown here like this. Draw a line, line. This is all using line command. You can copy this and place here and mention up. Okay, then the road I have written here road. It's in capital ROAD. Road. And left some space. Okay, then this sight line I made it thick and it's put inside the sight layer. So this is single line now. Now you have to convert it into polyline. Type PE. This poly edit. Select polyline, this one. Then it's asking, do you want to turn it to 1? Yes. Y enter. Then we have to join it. So J enter. Select all these 4 lines. Enter. Now width we have to give W. W is there. Width 1. Okay. Now you can see it's widened. Width is 1 inch. Select this and put inside the layer. Right now the layer is not there. Go to layers. Type new. Sight color we can keep number 1, that is red. Select this and put this inside the layer sight. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's start drawing dimensions. Go to layers and keep the dimension layer current. Click this. This is for setting a dimension style. By default there won't be any styles. It will be like this or any other style. Okay, so we have to set all those sizes. Go to dimension style, click new, I'll name it as dimension 1, continue. Okay, start from lines. All this you can keep it as by layer. Whatever you have set in this layer, it will be assigned here. Baseline spacing is the spacing between this line and the dimension starting point. You can keep it as 1. Okay, setting dimensioning is a very big thing, and I think we have to make one tutorial just on this dimensioning. So right now I will go a little fast because the video will be slightly bigger. You can follow what I am doing. Keep all this by layer, extension behind all this. You can make it 1 inch. Okay, then symbols and arrows, keep it as closed fill. Keep it this one as 3 inch. This we can leave it as it is. Go to text, select the text font as Arial, which we had selected earlier. Keep it as by layer. Text, you can make it 7 inch. Then go to units, architecture. You can see here the preview of the size. If you want this dimension aligned vertically, then go to fit. You can see many options are there here. Okay, you can select and see the preview here, how it is changing like this. Text alignment along this one. This is aligned, this is horizontal, this is ISO standard. I think this is better. Text placement above the dimension line. You can see above the dimension line. If it is horizontal, it will be centered and above. If it is vertical, like this. Okay, make it set current. Select those. Okay, now I've shown the dimension of the site here from this point to this point. It's 35 feet. Okay, now you can see the arrow size is smaller. This is just showing 35 feet. It's not showing 35 feet 0 inches. And this dimension should be in between the dimension line. So to change that, go to dimension style again, select the dimension style which just you created, that is dim 1, go to modify, first go to symbols and arrows, make this say 6, then go to units, remove this 2, okay, then go to fit, you can remove this, then go to text, make this centered, okay, you can see it's updated. Whatever changes you do in that dimension style, in this dimension style, it will be applied here. Okay, same way, dimension from here to here, that is 40 feet, perfect. You can see 40 feet, 35 feet. Now it's the provided drawing, it is shown as blue. You can change its color if you want. Go to layers, dim, like this, make it color number 5, that is blue. Okay, this is the drawing. If you can see in the provided drawing, I have hatched all these walls. So we will hatch it now. Keep the current layer hatch, type H, enter. You can also select this, that is hatch, select the hatch pattern, I'll select this, okay, then pick points. You can select all this where you want to hatch, select all the points, okay, fan it slightly up, select this, wherever you want to show the masonry hatch, you can select that. Okay, after selecting, press enter. Now if you see the preview of it, you can see that it's too close. Okay, increase the gap of that. Increase the scale by say 12 and you can see the preview. If it is okay, then you can press enter. If you want to change anything, press escape, it will go to that hatch dialog box. There are several commands here, you can check and you can try and experiment with each other. Okay, see preview, if it is okay, then press enter. That's it. I think the drawing is finished. Save the drawing. Okay, now I'll teach you a trick. In all the drawings, you don't have to set the dimensions, the layers, the line types, text and all. For that, what you have to do is, you can erase all this. First save the drawing, okay, then erase the drawing, go to save as, then select a template file. Here you can see AutoCAD template file. It will, by default, it will be stored in the template folder. You can give any name. I'll say plan template and save. Okay, you can give any descriptions, whatever settings you have done. If you don't want to give also, it's okay. Click OK. Okay. Now, whenever you are creating a new drawing, this dialog box will come. Okay, there you can select your template, say plan template, open. Okay, when you see here, all the layers are there. If you draw a line and if you start putting a dimension here, it is set, all the layers are set, all the layer colors, line types, everything is set. If you want to type any text also, it is already set. Text, type it, Okay, so you don't have to set everything for each and every drawing. If you save it as a template, you can use that template and start drawing your drawing. So that's all. Now you can draw a simple plan like this on your own. If you have any doubts or if you didn't understand what I was doing, you can ask me anytime. You can comment and ask me. I will teach you how to draw. I'll give you the PDF file of this drawing. Please check the link in the description. Also, the blocks which I have inserted in this drawing are also provided. Please check the description. The link is provided in it. That's all in this tutorial. See you in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.